Ever wake up more tired than when you went to sleep? Yeah, that wasn't rest. That was a coma with Wi-Fi. Let's be honest. Lying on the couch, half scrolling, half daydreaming about quitting your job, that's not rest either. That's just life on autopilot. You don't need more sleep. You need actual recovery. Like the kind of rest that hits so deep, it feels like your nervous system went on a vacation without you. If any part of you feels burnt out, foggy, or like your soul's buffering, stay with me. Not because this video will change your life, but because you might finally figure out why nothing ever feels enough anymore, even after a nap. You think rest equals sleep. Wrong. You think rest equals doing nothing. Double wrong. Because real rest isn't just physical. It's mental decluttering. It's nervous system repair. It's shut up world, I'm recharging energy. Most people don't need a vacation. They need a system reset. You keep telling yourself, I need a break. But what you actually do is escape. Watch 3 hours of random YouTube. Order food because you're too drained to cook. Pass out scrolling in bed. That's not rest. That's survival mode disguised as me time. Your brain is like Chrome with 47 tabs open. Most of them are frozen. All of them are draining battery. You think you're resting, but really, you're just numbing. Numbing is binging shows till your eyeballs hurt. Numbing is doom scrolling until the algorithm runs out of content. Numbing is resting so hard that you forget you're alive. Here's a test. After your rest, do you feel clear, recharged, focused, or do you feel like a half-melted marshmallow with Wi-Fi? Exactly. Let's break down what actual rest looks like. 1. Sensory rest. This is turning off all the noise. No music, no TV, no side conversations. Just silence. Maybe a dim room. Maybe just sitting in your car for 5 minutes doing absolutely nothing. Not because it's productive, but because your brain deserves a minute to not react to anything. 2. Emotional rest. This isn't about crying in a bathtub or journaling in cursive. It's about being real. Telling someone you're not okay without sugarcoating it. Dropping the mask for a bit, especially the I'm fine one. You ever feel relief just by admitting, yo, I'm burnt out? That's emotional rest. That's weight off your nervous system. 3. Mental rest. Not productive thoughts. Not solving problems in your head while you're relaxing. I mean shutting it down. Write down everything that's been swirling in your head. Yes, even the stupid stuff. Did I text them back? What if I quit my job and start a worm farm? Get it out. Clear the mental tabs. This is the kind of stuff no one teaches us, but it changes everything when you finally get it. Let's make this actually useful. Here's what real rest looks like when it's done right. 1. Protect your pre-sleep hour. That last hour before bed? It decides how tomorrow feels. No screens. No just one episode. No catching up on DMs. Make it boring on purpose. Stretch. Read. Sit on the floor if you have to. Let your brain know it's safe to wind down. 2. Do a daily brain dump. Before bed or whenever you feel cluttered, write down everything. Even if it makes 0 sense. You're not trying to fix anything. You're just clearing the junk drawer in your head. 3. Create a mini daily escape. This could be a 10-minute walk with no phone, staring at clouds like a Disney character, music, candles, lights off, vibe reset mode. Just something that makes your nervous system go, ah, we're safe now. 4. Say no and let it be awkward. No explanation needed. No overthinking. Just, hey, not today. It's not rude, it's recovery. Here's the part where I could tell you, by the end of this video, you'll have the secret to deep rest. But let's be real. The secret isn't hidden. You already know most of this. You're just not doing it. Why? Because real rest feels weird when you're used to overstimulation. Silence feels awkward. Boredom feels scary. And doing nothing feels like failure in a world that glorifies burnout. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. If you don't slow down on purpose, life will slow you down by force. That's not a warning. That's a pattern. This isn't some self-care trend. This is survival. You don't need a face mask and a green smoothie. You need time away from your notifications. You need boredom, stillness, time that's yours. Rest isn't lazy. It's maintenance. The same way your phone needs to charge, your mind needs moments where it's not performing, fixing, or reacting. If you wait until you earn rest, you'll never get it. Take it before life demands it. So if you're tired of being tired, stop treating exhaustion like it's normal. Don't aim to feel less tired. Aim to feel reset. Because when you rest right, not just sleep, but actually unplug, you don't just recover, you come back smarter, sharper, stronger. And the world? It'll still be there when you're done recharging. If your brain still panics when the Wi-Fi drops, and you emotionally collapse when your cereal gets soggy, congrats, your mental strength is made of cheese puffs. Click here to build a brain so strong it accidentally intimidates your blender. Like seriously, the blender's nervous. Go watch it.